about the garnishes and why this soup is so fun to eat. These are tortilla crisps, or little tiny chips. See how
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
look how rich this broth looks. And then I'm gonna add some tortilla, not just some, but a ton of tortilla chips in here and the chili crisps. The cream, the cheese, and the avocado. Just look at one spoonful. So that's what's gonna